Hello everyone, welcome back again to the channel. Thank you so much for tuning into today's video. So today we're going to be transforming this wig, this bar wig in front, to something better. Like we're going to be filling it up. So first you want to take weft of the hair just from the back of the wig, and then use the scissors to just trim off the banded part or the weft, that's the sewed part. Just trim it off just to get like strands of hair, and after that use my hands. I'm using my hands now to just bring out all the short hairs like so. After taking off all the short hairs, I'm just going to take like a little strand of hair to just fold it like so that I can be able to ventilate, like easily ventilate with it. So to do this is like a crochet pin that they call ventilating needle. So to do this now, I'm using the crochet pin or the ventilating needle to, ventilate the hair.
It's feet kills.
And to ventilate the hair, just taking the needle, that's the ventilating needle, in out of a particular hole of the net, and then take some strands of hair and bring it out from the other side. Pass the tip of the hair through the loop that you've already created to tie a knot. Repeat this again.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls, them I come, them I want, them I take her. Batman, me I
can just pass the ventilating needle in and out of the net like so to form a loop, and then take the tip of the hair, that's the other side of the hair, to just pass it through the loop you already formed to tie a knot. So this is how to ventilate. This is so easy. So like this wig or this hair or this frontal, it took her just an hour to achieve it. That's to complete the ventilating. So easy, like it's really easy, trust me. So we'll just be doing this all the way till I fill up the whole space. You guys will get to see the end of the result at the end of the video. So for this whole process, I'm just going to be doing like a slow-mo for you guys to see, and I'm very sure that we probably might learn something new from this video. I'm so sure that most of us wants to pick up new skills this year. So this is something that you probably might think of, or you probably might want to do this year, because this one will fetch you so much money. Trust me, it will fetch you, and it takes time. I won't lie, it takes time, but it will fetch you so much money, trust me. So yeah, I'm just going to allow you guys to just watch in a slow-mo, but not serious slow-mo, just in case, especially for people that are interested in learning. So if you have any question, just let me know in the comment section below.
come in me, I wanna take her. Girls, them I come, them I want it on the nigga. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she want another nigga. I who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. I move that, where you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar. Girl, you are what's in me radar. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pour me out, say she give me pour me out. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girls them a whining, them me grinding, I don't think so. Any man, them me looking at the think so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a bossing at the thing so. Girl, pour me out, say me pour me out. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the villa wine, say she give me film wine. Man a wine, say she give me for me, y'all say enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar. Girl, you are what's in me brain. The only special Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel up my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat.
It's CURLl.
We finna have a good time, you know.
All right, here is the final look. Can you guys just tell? So I went on to fill in or to fill that front part by ventilating. So yeah, this is the before and this is the after. You guys let me know in the comment section if you're able to learn something new, or if you're able to learn the whole process in this video. And if you have any questions, just let me know in the comment section as well. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.